Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of our cosmos and the latest discoveries in the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to share with you a fascinating story that's making waves in the scientific community. Imagine a Mars that's not the barren, rocky landscape we see today, but a planet teeming with life, surrounded by vast oceans that stretch as far as the eye can see. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, new research suggests that this might have been the case over 3 billion years ago. A team of scientists from the University of Bern in Switzerland has been studying data gathered from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance and the European Space Agency's Mars Express and ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter. By analyzing high-resolution color images and topographic data, they've identified structures on Mars that are similar to those found on Earth, where rivers pour into oceans or where alpine lakes form at the base of mountains. The researchers focused on a region called Valles Marineris, a massive channel that cuts along the Martian equator, and found evidence of ancient coastlines and silty deposits left behind by water. But here's the most exciting part. They believe that these water bodies might have been connected to a much larger ocean that once covered parts of Mars' northern lowlands, an ocean roughly the size of Earth's Arctic Ocean. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of Mars's history and the potential for life on the red planet. It also serves as a reminder of how fragile our own planet's ecosystems can be. As one scientist noted, oceans on Mars would have played a vital role in the health of the planet, just like they do on Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life is an ongoing and tantalizing quest, and this new research brings us one step closer to understanding the possibilities. Join us as we continue to explore the mysteries of our universe and the many wonders that await us among the stars. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We've got a fascinating story to share with you today, one that takes us on a journey through the vast expanse of our cosmic neighborhood in search of life beyond Earth. Imagine being able to pinpoint which stars in our vicinity are most likely to harbor planets teeming with life. It's a quest that has captivated human imagination for centuries, and now, thanks to a groundbreaking new survey, we're one step closer to finding the answer. A team of astronomers has just completed an unprecedented survey of over 2,000 nearby stars, known as K-type stars or orange dwarfs. These stars are particularly intriguing because they offer a unique balance. They're smaller and cooler than our Sun, which means their habitable zones are closer in, but they also emit less ultraviolet and ionizing radiation, potentially making them more conducive to life. The survey, led by researchers at Georgia State University, utilized two powerful telescopes, one in Chile and the other in Arizona, to gather detailed information about each star's temperature, age, spin rate, and motion. This data will serve as a foundation for future studies of nearby stars and could potentially guide spacecraft exploration in the decades to come. The significance of this research cannot be overstated. By identifying which K-type stars are most likely to have planets within their habitable zones, we're essentially creating a roadmap for the search for extraterrestrial life. It's a reminder that we're not alone in this universe, and the possibility of discovering life elsewhere is becoming increasingly plausible. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we're reminded of the profound impact that such discoveries could have on humanity. The search for life beyond Earth is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Welcome back to Star Chat. Today, we've been exploring the latest developments in space technology and astronomy. As we wrap up this episode, let's talk about a company that's making waves in the industry, Vast Space. Founded by Jed McCaleb, Vast is working towards creating a continuous human presence in low Earth orbit after the International Space Station is retired. In a recent interview, Vast CEO expressed his concerns about the delay in NASA's commercial space station program. He emphasized the importance of having a demonstration mission to prove that commercial space stations can safely support humans in orbit. The CEO also highlighted the need for multiple winners in the program, citing the success of Boeing and SpaceX in crew transportation. VAST is committed to unlocking the orbital economy by providing a platform for in-space manufacturing such as semiconductor production, fiber optics, and pharmaceuticals. While the company acknowledges that this market may take time to develop, they believe that having a human presence in space will be crucial to unlocking its potential. As NASA prepares to release its request for proposals for the commercial space station program, VAST is hoping to see a focus on what's right for the country, rather than just trying to be fair to all bidders. They're advocating for a demonstration mission as soon as possible, rather than waiting until 2031. The future of space exploration and development is exciting, and companies like VAST are leading the charge. As we look to the stars, it's clear that the next few years will be crucial in determining the course of human spaceflight. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.